I don't even
Let's
know
hear
what
a combined
combined would
number.
be. Well, I definitely spent, if it was the
Let's hear a
2200.
combined number. Let's just see where you guys even think where you guys are.
4,000?
3,500 was going to be
Anyway, here. So whatever.
warmer here than it is at
Yeah,
home.
we'll take
What do you
it.
guys do for a living up in Sad Zone?
I do corporate safety for a construction company.
Okay, what are you going around punching bitches that walk up, or
He
with
wishes.
cybersecurity? Or?
No, I'm the asshole that yells at people for not being safe.
Oh, interesting. What are you making with that?
60,000.
Not bad. Detroit's not expensive at all. You can buy a f***ing mega mansion for a penny. What about you?
I actually just got licensed for vet tech.
Ooh, okay. And that is some hard work. Vet tech doesn't always make the most. What are you going to be making? Or what do you make now? You just got licensed? Do you not make anything now? Or are you not working?
No, so I actually started working again. You can get 20,
Okay. What were you making before?
18.
Okay. So what do you bring home net now?
A month about 2,200.
And you?
Like 3,200 a month.
All right. So in the Detroit area, not necessarily bad. Again, it stretches just a little further there compared to most big cities. I know there's kind of that one nice area in the downtown area, and like where the stadiums and stuff are, it can be a little more expensive there. Or if you're in the deep burbs, it can be expensive again.
Yeah, we're not in any of those nice areas.
Okay,
No.
so you're in
we
the
live
cheap
north
area.
of Detroit. Yeah.
Yeah, we're
Okay.
not.
So how we doing? $64,000 a month net. 6,400. Sorry.
64,000.
How we
sounds better.
feeling?
I feel okay, and actually, that's a little bit of a low ball. I coach soccer as well, so it's a little bit more.
How much you
income on the
make
side.
coaching soccer?
Not
to
a
who?
lot. I coach both high school boys and girls, and I coach youth travel.
Okay. What's extra a month? I mean, I assume that's
Actually,
seasonal.
like about 1,000, maybe 1,200 a month. It's not seasonal; it's year round.
Really?
Yeah,
Extra
indoor.
1,000. How would that be the make or break for our life? I feel like that is not the actual answer to our question. I think it is the answer to the question that you guys have been telling yourself. So what the is actually going on?
So there was a while where I would just like ask him for money for stuff. Obviously, being the stay-at-home mom, I was the taxi driver, and he likes to keep me from getting stressed. So he would say, as long as our savings isn't under, I don't know, like 10,000, we're fine. And once we get to that point, I'll let you know when we have to worry or start cutting back. So
It lasted about 6 months, and we had to break the lease. And
Why'd you guys break up?
because I was sick of the financial burden.
Really?
that-
Okay, there we
that
go.
was
Leading cause for
happening.
divorce in the country, one of them. Okay, so
Yeah.
3 years ago, we broke up. Parents of a kid that we had together, we broke up
yeah.
Yes.
for finances. Yet we were on this show 3 years later, and the finances are if they've ever been before. Like, just about as bad as it gets.
I think that's
How did we get back together and stay together and have this conversation now? And why has nothing changed if we broke up 3 years ago due to finances?
we're trying to change it now.
Sure, but why nothing changed if we literally broke up 3 years ago due to finances?
Yeah, my fear is that if we put our money together, it would just be gone because of Kara's spending habits.
But I'll get, reamed a new asshole for getting Starbucks, but then him and his buddy will buy 2 jet skis without telling me.
Where the f*** are you buying jet skis? The water in Detroit's nasty anyway. What are you doing?
The water in Detroit is not
You just
nasty.
want lead all over your skin? What are you doing?
I like cool shit. I have fun with jet skis. This is
On this man, she's throwing shit.
Yeah, I mean, I don't like spending the time to sit down and looking at a sheet of paper that tells me what I can and can't buy. If I can buy it, I buy it.
Just understand you guys' situation. What?
Yeah, there was a period where we were getting at least one Amazon delivery a day. At least.
Well, were they necessities or fun?
No.
Necessities.
Organizing our fridge with containers is not a necessity.
That's not a necessity.
It helps me. And
Helps, but it's not a necessity. It's not a survival thing.
Yeah, but I also get stuff to help.
$1,646 on here with a $60 minimum monthly payment. How long does this take to pay off? Just minimum monthly payments without purchases, which, by the way, you fail at because you purchased $89.79, even though $42.92 of interest is accruing, and we're making no progress, and the balance actually went up on something that you paid more than the minimum monthly payment on. Congratulations. That's horrible. How long does it take to pay off only minimum monthly payments with no purchases?
4 years.
Okay, 10 years.
Oh.
You're going to be in your 40s. That's what we want for an It's a cope. It's a cope payment that you're doing. Come on. Amazon, Lenny's Pizza, and Amazon. Interest charge last year alone was $510.
On just Amazon?
One card, a single card, $510 taken from you. Remember, you basically, according to you, have like no money that you make.
Yeah,
and you
had paid off.
So $14,195.69. What's the interest rate on this?
I don't want to talk about that. It's bad. The interest rate is bad.
What is the interest rate on this?
I think it's like 15%.
It's 14. I just looked. But so
you co-signed it and it's still at 14. Stupid percent.
But we didn't have a choice, kind of.
You didn't have a choice. You said you didn't want this card.
I didn't.
think then you had a choice to not get it.
I mean,
so what the f are you talking about?
No.
Living in the lovely Detroit a while ago.
Well, yeah, but still.
Well, at this point, we don't know with you guys. Okay, Capital One Venture One. Who has this?
That's me. This is the long one. This is my first credit card ever.
$9,579.78. It's your first credit card, and it's over the credit limit.
I hate it. Yeah. No. So
yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I just found out. I didn't know this, but it was 10,000 was my max, and they've been lowering it, which is fine. I just didn't know that, so it looks like it's over. I think because I just looked at it. Yeah, but it's because they keep lowering it. I didn't know that.
Oh, good. You're not purchasing on it. How long does this take to pay off?
Oh, I don't know. 27 years.
26 years.
That's a great guess.
It was a great guess, and it's a horrible life.
It is. I hate it, and he wants to.
I hate it. Why the f is it never being paid down at all? In the 10 years that
26 years of $316 is $98,592 on a card that started at a $10,000 limit. The minimum was never her plan. It's the bank's, and it's built to finish right around retirement.
I don't have it. I don't have search capabilities. $2,575 of interest, so now $5,000 of fees and interest. We're taking from you last year.
Oh my God.
2 months of your earnings.
Yeah.
2 months of your earnings are gone.
Yes, but
Floor.
one is not.
Watch them learn how to get screwdrivers and
That's another thing we don't agree on is he doesn't like to put any money in any form of different savings, and also he doesn't like.
You're losing 3% a year to inflation.
He doesn't think he
why
would
would
do
you
it.
want it? Even though you're using a fake name, are going to be a few people who know who you are.
This is fair.
Yeah, but also I don't even know what's in the savings. I don't even know
What isn't? How much cash?
Like 15,000.
You're fucking stupid. Why not get 4% in a high yield savings?
I didn't know that there were savings accounts that had that good of interest rates.
Are you?
$15,000 sitting in a safe at 0% in a house carrying $45,289 at up to 26.74%. That cash cost them $3,000 a year to do nothing over their own 3-year plan. $9,000 paid for the feeling of savings. Tonight, write every APR next to what your savings pays. If the gap's big, that's not savings. It's a discount you're refusing. Like if that landed. And tell me below, most cash you've held while carrying a balance. Top comment gets the math next video on your screen now.
Hi, my name is Tessa, and I'm 22 years old.
Hi, my name is James. I'm 22 years old. We're both from Dallas.
And this is Financial Audit.
Thanks for coming down to Austin, guys. So,
Our major clients are Sprouts. So basically what we do is
what do you make?
I make $23.50 an hour.
An hour? Can you support both of you guys on this? How many hours a week do you work?
About 40. I'm coming off the busy season, so yeah, I was working about 50 hours a week over the past 3 months. Right now I'm working about 35 to 40.
Assuming paid time off and everything, talking $4,000 essentially a month
Roughly.
Before taxes.
Yes, roughly.
What hits your account monthly?
Currently with the 40 hours a week, it's about 2,800.
Okay. What's your rent?
$13.20. $13.20.99.
So we're looking at almost half.
About
of your
half the
net.
income, yeah.
$13.20.99.
Yes.
Ooh. Okay.
Yeah, it was kind of a weird.
Tell him it's not one pressure washer.
So I do have multiple pressure washers.
Now, today?
Tell him that you don't use them. Tell him.
Okay.
I don't think she likes the pressure washers.
No, well, she just doesn't like the fact that they're not being used the way that they should be.
How are they being used?
They're not being used.
He
That's the
bought
problem.
something from Facebook Marketplace and said that it was new. Okay. He hasn't used it since he got it.
What? A pressure washer?
Yeah, a big ass.
How many pressure washers are you buying?
So I have 2 pressure washers. I have one that's smaller. It's people that know pressure washer, it's 4 gallon
Are you
per
still
minute.
trying this thing?
Yes.
Well, no, you're not. You're not
Well,
using them.
not currently, yeah. So I have the pressure washers. I did a lot of preemptive buying. I took the loan money. I did a lot of preemptive
How much
buying.
did you borrow?
I borrowed. Well, I got a approved for a credit card for $10,000.
Wasn't even like a small business loan or a personal loan.
No, it was a credit card.
10,000. Okay,
10,000,
and then
yeah.
what did you put on this 10,000 credit card?
The 10,000. So they had a
what?
deal.
Oh, 10,000.
They had a deal where if you spend 10,000 within the first 3 months, they'll give you a $1,000 reimbursement.
Which, if you're doing some credit card churning, can be good if you pay it off.
If I had the anticipation, I was planning on being able to pay it off within the first 6 months. Obviously, it didn't work out that way, but I thought that with my work ethic, I would be able to turn over 10,000 easy. And especially with all the YouTube hosts.
Why? What is so?
Spend $10,000. Bank hands back $1,000. A 10% rebate. Carry that balance a year at these rates, and it cost him about $3,000. He paid $3 to earn one and called it a business plan.
So Angie was pretty, I guess you could say, predatory whenever it came to like, oh, hey.
Angie's List?
Angie's List, yeah. Angie,
Okay.
yeah. So I got on. They were like, hey, we'll sign you up for if you don't want to pay for the annual or the lifetime subscription, it's going to be $250 a year. And then you don't get leads. But if you want to sign up for a lifetime, I think it was $7.99, and then they'll give you a free $1,000 worth of leads.
Okay.
So in retrospect, I had the money at the time. I was like, yeah, let's do that.
Yeah. Well, you mean the credit card?
Yes, the credit card. I had the credit card.
Okay.
I had the credit card available. I had to spend 10,000. In my mind, I was like, yeah, let's spend 10 G's. Let's make it quick.
Oh, the
Make it
credit
quick,
card
make it
companies
snappy.
They fucking won, man. They won.
Then in a while, I'm gonna send you a check. So I get the check. But in the check, he also provided an amount for his electrician, because he said, obviously, I'm not going to be there. I'm going to put your pay and his pay into one check.
That doesn't make sense.
It
but
doesn't.
Okay.
In the moment, I was like, okay, sure, whatever.
What? Why?
Yeah.
How would that even possibly make sense to you? That seems like. I mean, you yourself beyond easily.
I didn't understand checks at the time. I've literally in the new age.
They are pretty just.
It's outdated. And I've never, and being like.
Okay,
20,
so what? You did the work
So I didn't even do the work. I got the check. He was like, okay, go ahead and send the rest of the money to the electrician because the check cleared.
Dumb. I'm sorry. I shouldn't.
You're good.
Oh, but
You're good. It's stupid.
That is what a 90-year-old falls for,
Yeah,
dude.
I know. And the check cleared.
Oh,
The check cleared
what
in the
king from Africa are you sending money to next?
Exactly. It was an African prince. The African prince got me, and he was like, "Look, just send the money to to him through this crypto wallet." And I was like, "Okay, cool, let's do it." And because the check cleared, and
through a crypto wallet,
yeah,
and that wasn't a red flag?
I know. Look,
guy,
there was nothing.
How old were you?
There was nothing but red flags the whole time.
How old were you?
I was 20 at the time.
Oh,
I
were
didn't.
not young enough to be that naive. That's crazy,
look in the time I seen the 4K hit my account. I was like, oh yeah, well it's my money now. I was like, okay, cool. I got 4 G's in my account. This is fine.
4 G's.
And then obviously the check bounced. I had already sent 1,000 to the crypto wallet. Originally I was supposed to send 3,000.
Don't pass up the free money, cause I'll punch you. What?
Show chi-chis.
I know what. What are you saying to me?
I purchased ball pythons in the intention of breeding and selling.
The f are you even on? What drugs do you take?
Dude.
Who even thinks about this? What rabbit hole do you have to fall down to get that one?
So I had a buddy of mine, well, still friend, we're still friends. He's very invested into the ball python industry. He's got a decent.
Who the f is buying ball pythons?
He is.
Him.
And me now, yes.
Him.
So really, it's like a ball python pyramid scheme. You get breeded pythons so that you convince other fucking ball python potential breeders to make more money. You just sell them. You breed and sell to them.
He was like, look, I have this business, whatever. I was like, don't do it. He did it. He didn't give a fuck about what I said. This is our marriage, and you didn't give a
Do with that. Why don't you just sell them and get out of it?
I told him to do it.
I would only I would only get about half of what.
Why?
So
nothing.
their genes have depreciated in value. It's been a depreciating asset, yes.
Oh my! How do you even know?
I check the market. I see like what genes
What
that mice make.
market? Just like the.
There's an app that where naturally trade.
So you lied to me.
So what?
You lied to
Day
me.
trading
You
snake
freaking
nut.
lied to me. You told me that you made your research that everything was going to be okay. And now right now you're saying that they decreased?
They have 1100 grandma.
I thought I was going 1,000 route. Even still, that is not great. I mean, from grandma, likely retired, right?
And brother and
Not really.
uncle.
How old's grandma?
Grandma's 64. Grandma's 64.
You're
and-
borrowing from a 6-year-old, and she just said, "And your brother."
And uncle.
yeah, brother. Grandma.
What else?
Grandma is uncle. Grandma is uncle. That's the 1100 is.
Oh yeah,
What?
well it came from.
How did that doesn't what?
She has access to his savings account. He goes to college full time, and
And he took from him. She took from him.
Yeah, she has access to. So
No. Are you telling me that your grandma took?
when about 2-3 months ago.
And then brother,
So yeah, brother.
your brother.
Brother is
How
also.
old's your brother?
Brother is about to be 20 in
You're
February.
borrowing from a 19-year-old.
Yeah.
You are married to this.
Look, I'm not proud. It's not something to be proud about.
Listen, that's again, just one of those things that you're acting like the, oh, you know what, I'm acknowledging. But I don't know, you're one of those people that says that over and over again when they're confronted, but then they continue the same path. It always happens, or else you would not be doing this stuff every other month, guy. So how much did you borrow from a 19-year-old?
That was 600.
How much is still owed?
625. So we struck a deal on that. So I've been paying for his phone bill for going on 2 years, and I told him that since he is earning income, like he's making everything, and I'm obviously in the hole. I said, hey man, I'll keep paying for your phone bill, and we'll just use that until we're paid up and current. So he's got 15 months of a paid phone bill. Kind of struck a deal with him. That's how that went down. Because he doesn't really need the money.
I assume on
Going-
the spending front, probably.
We've been going to Cancun. He's
Oh my gosh. Lady, you seriously, in the back of your brain must just have a bag full of insane things that you guys have, and you're just dropping them like little pebbles.
But I was
endlessly.
working. I was helping him too. It was just not only his money.
How
it was
often-
mine too. This was way before.
How often are you guys going to Cancun?
We've been 3 times over the 3
Oh,
years.
of course. Buddy, you just got a foreclosure notice. Not foreclosure, an eviction notice. No more Cancun.
I mean, we can't go
We
now.
can. I
We can't
cannot
go
even
now.
go out of the United States even if I want
She's
to.
here until we get the green card.
No
process.
vacations in the United States.
Yeah, we.
No, we're
look,
not doing
we
anything
haven't-
of that.
We can't even afford it right now. We'd love to.
You
we
couldn't
have-
probably
yeah.
afford it then.
It's a yeah.
How much did you guys spend going to Cancun?
So each time was average
1,000?
Three
No.
3,000 for
No.
each.
What? How would you make the minimum monthly payments?
So I've been paying. I struck a deal with them. So I've been paying $50 a month just to.
Oh, for thank goodness, because the minimum was $6,591.
They've called. They were calling me very consistently saying, "Hey, you got to pay 4,000. Come on, let's do that." And I was like, "Yeah, I can't do that, but sorry."
So $7,725.86, which is an insane balance for you. Insane balance.
That's-
Past due amount $6,535. What the dude? And now you're gonna have this $50 minimum monthly payment that's gonna make no progress towards it, and then interest is just gonna fees $731. Fees $731. That's insane fees. That's insane fees, and $258 of interest.
He negotiated down to $50 a month. The interest is $258 a month, so every payment grows the balance by $208, about $2,500 a year, forever. He's not paying it down, he's feeding it.